In today's video, we're going to be looking at the Ecoviva WP-RO-200G water filter. Now this has to be one of the coolest looking designs I've seen for a countertop water filter. It has a sleek modern look to it, no flashy chrome trim, and a flat matte finish for easy cleaning. And in this video, we're going to take a look at what makes it unique and if this might be something you want to consider for yourself. Ecoviva reached out to me about this appliance because of its convenience and versatility. As someone who drinks a lot of water every day, I was excited to take a look at it and see how it works. I have a basic under-sink mounted water filter that I previously reviewed, but it is of limited utility because the filters remove just the basics from the water. The Ecoviva is a reverse osmosis filter with a 5-stage 1/10,000th micrometer RO membrane that removes over 1,000 contaminants. That is a very fine filtration system and is a pore size so small that it can effectively remove even the smallest particles, including viruses and bacteria. Everything about the Ecoviva is designed to be user-friendly, including its size. It's only 12 inches long, 12 inches high, and 4 inches wide. That makes it perfect for the kitchen counter, an office desk, the bathroom, or even a guest room. The removable glass carafe is also convenient as you can take it with you to where you're sitting or working and have pure, clean water at your elbow. It's also handy if you want to water your plants with purified water, and you can put it in the refrigerator to have a cold, clean drink of water at the ready. There is no assembly required with the Ecoviva. It's ready to work right out of the box. Even the RO filter and the composite filter are pre-installed, so you literally plug it in and it starts working. Of course, you need to clean the carafe and the water fill chamber before using, and Ecoviva recommends flushing the system several times before using it. But after that, you fill the chamber with tap water, select the amount of water you want. There are 3 sizes, 0.4 liters, 0.8 liters, and 1.2 liters, and it begins filtering your water right away. The Ecoviva comes with real TDS monitoring. TDS stands for Total Dissolved Solids and is a measure of the amount of organic and inorganic materials dissolved in water, such as metals, minerals, salts, and ions like chromium, zinc, lead, and copper. What's neat about the Ecoviva is it provides a measurement for both the water you put into the filter as well as the water that comes out, and you can toggle back and forth between them as your water is filtered. One of the nice features is the speed of the Ecoviva. It pumps at 0.4 liters per minute, which means that in just about 3 minutes, you can have a full carafe of clean water. You will see on the water chamber, though, that it takes 2 liters of water. But because the carafe holds just 1.2 liters, that means the Ecoviva holds 0.8 liters in reserve, and that's what it back filters the water into. So it drains from the larger water chamber and holds the wastewater in reserve. You can dispose of this water down the drain or water your plants with it. It may be slightly higher in mineral content than tap water. That shouldn't really affect the plants. Carafe is glass and comes with a metal plate inside. There's this protrusion in the bottom that I first thought was a sensor to test the water, but in looking at the unit schematics, it shows the sensor in the head of the unit at the spout. Perhaps this is for a feature to come, like heating the water, because if you look under the base of the carafe, it has a unique coil design that is replicated in the base of the unit. Now this is where I guess you can say my first complaint about the device comes in. When you seat the empty carafe on the base, it's not secure. It kind of wobbles around. As the carafe fills with water, though, it does seat itself securely, so there may be some sort of spring-loaded action there. And while you're not going to be knocking this thing around, I know I can be clumsy at times, so I'm just concerned I may somehow knock the carafe off the base. With that said, it's nice that the carafe is glass and not plastic. While the water chamber is plastic along with the rest of the unit, Ecoviva says it's all food-grade plastic. To fill the water chamber, you pop off the back lid and then slide the chamber up. It has these nice chunky guides on the back that slide into channels on the back of the unit, ensuring precise lineup of the 2 pieces. To access the composite and RO filter cartridges, you remove the back cap and then lift off the top of the unit, which is actually held in place by magnets. That allows for quick and easy lineup and replacement of the lid when finished. But Ecoviva even thought of the consumer when designing the cartridges themselves. They come with a built-in lift ring to pull the cartridges out of the unit, so you don't have to touch the housing of the cartridge itself. Then you pop in new ones and you're good to go again. The unit runs very quietly, and the touch-sensitive buttons on the face of the unit emit beeps and respond very fast to the touch. At the top you can see the life indicators of the 2 filters. They start off green, turn yellow as you use the filter, and finally turn red when the filters need to be replaced. The unit can handle 300 gallons of water per day, which is amazing, and Ecoviva recommends replacing them every 6 months. The real test is in the taste. It's got a very smooth, silky taste to it, just like, I guess, purified water from a bottled water. Tastes very clean. Tastes good. All in all, the Ecoviva WP-RO-200G is a terrific water filter system. It has a sleek, modern design that will look good on any countertop or wherever you choose to use the system. It's thoughtfully designed with the consumer in mind, and is pretty much idiot-proof, which is perfect for me. The only real complaint I have with the system is the slightly wobbly carafe when empty, and maybe an on-off button could have been incorporated for when the unit is not in use. I appreciate Ecoviva sending me this unit for review, and if you want to check out this device yourself, I'll leave a link in the description. Even better for viewers of this video, there's a discount code that can give you $100 off the price of the unit. Again, the Ecoviva water filter is a great little device. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.